Right, guys, welcome. We're going to do a quick trade recap today. Today is the 22nd of September. It is a Monday, so let's get straight into this. So, off the rip, we'll put the indicator on. And as you can see, coming up to the pre market, we built this sort of like low resistance liquidity here, but decided to skip past this, moved higher. Coming into this market open, we wanted to see a displacement lower into this sort of London low area, take this and then set up for longs to all-time high. Obviously, this is marked as PWH, previous week high. But if we look carefully, we see that get rid of this now. We got LH and A Ash here, which is London high, Asian high. We instantly displaced up London high, but you may be thinking, oh, surely we look for shorts here. No, when there's all-time highs above, Asian highs above, shorts are very like contraindicated. I wouldn't strictly advise going for them. But as you can see, we have a little pullback here. Respect this 5 minute, go higher. And here's when we respect the next 5 minute. And if you look on the 3, we've got these equal lows here. They get taken, and what do we have here? And what's the time here? 10:15, 10:18. So I still say this is a valid, sort of macro time. Everyone says that, first 10, last 10. I would extend that to 15. But here we are. Inverse this, target 1-to-1. Previous week high, we have our break even point, and then boom, out of the trade here. The key thing to note here, if you guys want to know the significance of this number, 24,900. That was our TP here. Like, look how sort of accurate that was. It got to here and then retraced back here. Like after this, it could have had a massive pullback. Obviously, it didn't, but that's hindsight. But the accuracy of this trade is really good. And yeah, very happy with that. All the members cooked today in the Discord. If you want to see more trades like this and a more in-depth analysis of why we took this trade, how we determined bias, and how we, are consistently profitable, check out the Discord. You can message the Instagram official.ad.trading for that Discord link, or link is in the Twitter bio, rides_ad. But yeah, that's all for today, folks. Thank you for listening, and see you soon.